We are changing a high pressure AC pipe. As you see, it's really complicated. So we have spent almost 2 hours trying to figure it out how to change it. Um, so the first thing that you have to do and able to put it kind of in a comfortable way is remove the engine mount. Of course, you have to use one of these things. I don't know the name of it. So remove the mount and also remove, take the screw that attached this pipe. Just a second. So this is a DIY work, and maybe help someone who needs to change the high pressure pipe. Some people might want to remove this from here because it's in the mid, in the, you know, right in your way, but we didn't remove it. So this pipe goes in here, so go ahead and take the screw out and change it. So you get this pipe out of your way. Then remove the old one. The old one, if it has a leak, just go ahead and pull it. It's gonna, you know, at the beginning we had to really pull it. So as you can see, that pipe, which is curvy, we straighten it up. But if you remove the mount and that pipe, it makes it a lot easier. So we just connect the new pipe. And just watch the screws that you remove. As you can see, we are just trying to put back the screws that we removed at the beginning, and then this pipe goes connected over there. So I hope this tutorial helps somebody. This is on a Nissan Murano 2009. Well, thank you for everything and good luck, guys.